Customizing user roles and permissions is essential in managing systems or platforms efficiently. The user type feature meets this need by allowing administrators to define and assign unique roles with specific permissions, providing more flexibility than standard roles. This is ideal for various settings, like educational platforms and corporate systems, ensuring users have access rights that match their roles and needs. It is crucial to select the appropriate user type when either adding a new user or modifying the details of an existing one. Navigate to Users under People. Edit the existing user or add a new user by clicking on Create New User. Fill in the details under Add Edit User. Click on the user type and select the required option from the drop-down menu. Super Admin. Unrestricted access to all platform features, including courses, content, settings, and reports. Teacher. Access to most pages, excluding global settings, and full access to content. Learner. Access is limited to content assigned to their group memberships or personal invitations. Students may independently enroll in additional content through catalog pages. A learner must purchase paid content in order to gain access to that course, test, and live class. Custom. Access is role-based, limited to specific groups. Courses and other content are not automatically assigned. Like students, they can enroll in additional content as needed. Super admins and teachers enjoy free access to everything on the catalog pages, such as courses, tests, and live classes, thanks to their extensive access privileges. If you need to limit their access, change their user type to custom and manage permissions through roles and groups. By implementing user types, organizations and educational institutions can significantly enhance their operational efficiency and user experience. This feature not only streamlines user management, but also aligns system access with the unique roles and requirements of different users.